See if I can get some.
Everything gonna be okay? Remember that one big huge? Remember that one big huge storm we had, Mom? In the summertime last time.
Whoa.
Of course, it's everywhere where I'm not filming.
It's only here. Have you ever seen one over there yet?
They're over here.
Like
That's bright, eh?
That hurts my eyes. Lightning is dumb. It just goes to the side. It's not going down.
It's awful black sky coming this way.
Is black bad?
Whoa!
Whoa!
That was cool.
Was that down or sideways?
Did you get that, Rick?
Yeah, but it's only gets a little bit.
Was that down or sideways, Mom?
That was sideways.
I need my fancy camera for this. Takes a wide angle.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Because it could hit us.
It's gonna hit high stuff first.
Remember that time it was hitting the telephone poles?
Yep. Both at the same time, this one and that one.
Yeah.
Where's the telephone pole? Oh, those things?
Those poles over there, yep.
It's hit those before?
Yeah, remember, and they blew. Oh, you weren't awake for that?
No, he wasn't. He slept right through that.
And what happened to it?
Blew up.
Then how was it back together?
Whoa.
Did they put it back
The
together?
hydro guys came
Yeah.
and put it back together, yeah.
Next
What
day.
if the whole entire hydro building gets destroyed?
Well, the hydro building doesn't matter. They have power plants everywhere.
Oh, so it'll never get destroyed? Maybe one day it will. From pink lightning. Is there such thing as something called a nova that could destroy the whole world? Mom?
I've never heard of that.
My friend
What's
said
a
there's
nova?
such thing as a nova that's going to destroy the
It's a
whole entire
1960s and 70s muscle car.
No, a nova, my friend said it's going to end the world by getting a supernova which destroys the whole world.
Oh, really?
But why? The world will
Oh,
probably
I feel
never
rain.
end. Could the world even end, Mom?
Oh, that was pretty
I
neat.
don't know.
When everybody